from, Wyatt?
This screen calls for Avery and Emma.
That's right.
And it came right on his birthday. No, Maeve. No, Maeve.
No.
Put it back. You can open that in a minute. Put that back.
Okay, good girl.
Okay, let Wyatt open. It's his birthday. Come sit with Mommy.
Maeve.
No, Maeve.
Maeve.
No, Maeve. That's Wyatt. It's Wyatt's birthday today. Come here. Come sit with Mom.
No.
All right. Well, no opening. You can sit with Wyatt. It came in the mail today, right?
SpongeBob card.
It is. Oh,
Whoa! What's that?
Whoa! Wait a minute. What fell out of there?
What fell out of the card?
Money.
Money?
Wow!
It's our own money.
Wow! Let's open up the card and read it.
Let's see what the card says. Wyatt, read the card.
No. It says you're awesome. For someone who lives above sea level, have a happy, bubbly 4th birthday. Happy birthday, buddy. We miss you. Sorry I missed your special day. Avery, Emma, Mitch, and Jen. Hey, you got money for your piggy bank.
Whoa, look at all that money.
Pick your money up, because we'll have to put it on your piggy bank.
That's like pirate treasure.
What do you say to Avery and Emma?
Thank you.
That was very nice.